Good morning, students. Hope you all are good. Today we start with the topic electric power. Note down beta. Electric power. Now beta, first of all, if we talk about power in a layman language, power, that is your rate of doing work with respect to time. But here we discuss about the electric power. So electric power, that definition is rate at which work is done by an electric current with respect to time. Now beta, here work done with respect to time. So formula for power becomes P is equal to W by T. From here we can derive different formulas that are used for numerical purpose. Now बच्चे, you already learn about the potential difference. So according to the definition of potential difference, that is V is equal to work done upon quantity of charge transfer. So from here you get W is equal to V into Q. Just put the value of W from here and put in this expression. The formula becomes V into Q by T. In the place of W, you just put V into Q. Now beta, according to the definition of current, I, you know that symbol of current is I is equal to Q by T. Definition क्या है? Rate of flow of charge with respect to the time. So from here, that is Q is equal to IT. T move to this side. So again put the value of Q is equal to IT in this expression here. So V into I into T upon T. Now beta, T से T cancel. You are left with the expression P is equal to V into I. Note down beta. Okay. Now beta, again according to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. Again we put the value of V here. P becomes V की place पे, that is IR into I. You are with the expression that is I square R. Now again from here, if you find the value of I, R क्या चला जाएगा? V के नीचे चला जाएगा. That is I की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी बेटा? V by R. Again put the value of I here. You are with the expression V square by R square into R. R से R एक कैंसिल हो जाएगा. You are left with 1R और you have the formula P is equal to V square R. So these are the different formulas that you used for numerical purpose. वहां पे आपको सीधा पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस की वैल्यू दे देंगे, क्वेश्चन में रेजिस्टेंस की वैल्यू दे देंगे. आपको क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया जाएगा पावर फाइंड आउट करो. सो यू अप्लाई डायरेक्टली दिस फॉर्मूला. और करंट की वैल्यू दे दी, पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस की दे दी, तो आप ये फॉर्मूला डायरेक्टली अप्लाई कर सकते हो. पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस दे दिया, चार्ज दे दिया, टाइम दे दिया, अगेन दिस फॉर्मूला यू कैन अप्लाई. वर्क डन दिया, टाइम दिया, डायरेक्टली यू कैन अप्लाई दिस फॉर्मूला एंड फाइंड आउट द पावर. नोट डाउन बच्चे. ओके फाइन बेटा. Now beta you just learn about P is equal to VI. P is equal to V into I. From here you can define the SI unit of power, that is watt. First of all write down unit of power is watt, W-A-T-T. Now beta definition of 1 watt. 1 watt is equal to पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस क्या हो जाएगा 1 वोल्ट एंड करंट का यूनिट यू ऑलरेडी नो दैट एम्पियर. सो करंट बिकम्स 1 एम्पियर. 1 वोल्ट इज इक्वल टू 1 वोल्ट इंटू 1 एम्पियर. राइट डाउन बेटा. So from here 1 watt is when or if potential difference of 1 volt causes a current of 1 ampere. That is potential difference of 1 volt causes a current of 1 ampere. Then power consumed is said to be one watt. That is the definition of 1 watt. Write down beta.